Hello guys, today we're gonna do the slip ring housing repair and correct fitting. Okay. Instead we're gonna do, this is our mini winch with a coax cable. In order to get to the slip ring, we have to remove this the screws. It's supposed to be 6, but apparently our customer already lost 3 of them. So bear with me. And there you go. That's our hardware for the slip ring. This is our wire line, and this is our cable, actually our wireline cable going to our slip ring. In order to disconnect that one, hold the metal aluminum piece and pull it out. There we go. We're gonna require a 2mm to remove the connector, the male connector. This is the one that holds it together there. And here is our connector, our male connector. I'm gonna put it aside a little bit, and I'm gonna start working on this one. In order to remove our component, we're gonna use our 2.5 and start unscrewing it. There we go. There you go. 3. Here, you see this is our housing for the component. Either you can grab it by your tip of your hand, fingers, and start. If it doesn't want to go out, use the screwdriver and use this as a lever. And there you go. Now, here you will see the screws. Use a 2mm. There you go, to untighten them. And here's another one, the opposite of the first one. And that's it. Let it loose. Make sure that's pretty good loose, and your finger easily, softly, and ta-da! That's our and here is our slip ring. Ta-da! You can disconnect this guy here. This is another connector. This one here. You still have the 3 cables that goes to our junction box and to our P1135, and from them you can have it all together. And to reassemble it is the same thing. If you want to disconnect this guy, you just hold this one and pull. There you go. There's a pretty nice shape. This is you don't have to put oil or nothing. This is zero maintenance on this component. So that's it. In order to put it back to the same weight, the opposite that we just did. Thank you very much. Bye.